For any help regarding Python homework help, visit https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com/https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Email support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, or call us at +1 67864848277. Problems and solutions. Problem 1. Quick exploration of member functions. We've taught you that objects encapsulate data, and they provide member functions that operate based on that data. Some member functions change that data. In that case, they're modifiers and the object is mutable, while others simply return new data. The syntax for accessing member functions of objects is where variable points to an object in the heap. Since the primitive types int, float and bool are not objects, they don't support any member functions. So you can't do 5.something or true.something. However, strings are objects, so they support member functions. Same with tuples, and same with lists. What member functions do each support? Python provides a dir function that takes a variable and lists the member functions that the object supports. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. You should get out a bunch of what looks like jumbled nonsense. But those things are actually member functions of each object. You'll generally see two types of member functions. __function name __ functions are generally not meant to be explicitly called. Instead, they're used by Python to do other things. A comes before B alphabetically, so this is true. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. We see the same result. It turns out that whenever you write object 1 object 2, Python looks for a__lt__ member function in A and calls it with B as the argument. In actuality, there is a little more to the story, but we won't worry about that now. The __ function name __ style exists because it's meant to explicitly make it clear that this function is not meant to be called normally. It's a system function, so in general, we should never be calling functions with names like __ function name __. The rest of the functions are all functions that you can use. For help with any type, take a quick look at some of the functions for strings, lists and tuples. We'll be needing them. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Let's say there are two methods to find the distance of two chromosomes, that is, how much the two have varied through mutations. One method is to go letter by letter and count the number of discrepancies. Another method is to sum the discrepancies of A's, e.g. chromosome X has 5 A's, chromosome Y has 7 A's, C's, G's, and T's. Are the two methods the same? We don't know, let's find out. Write a function that uses method 1. It will take two chromosomes and go letter by letter in each, comparing them. It then returns the total number of discrepancies it finds. Write another function that uses method 2. It will take two chromosomes and return the sum of the discrepancies, cones, and so on. Then call each function on each of the combinations A, B, A, C, A, D, B, C, B, D, and C, D, and see which methods tell you which pair of chromosomes is furthest, i.e. most varied, and which pair is closest, i.e. least varied. Remember to use dir. Important note, from this point on, we are going to stray from interactive programs that use raw input and go to solving complex problems instead. You should not use a raw input function anywhere in this program. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. A equals gigkang B equals tagkag C equals gegkakag D equals gakaktik. Def method 1 C1 C2 discreps equals 0 for I in range len C1. If C1 I equals C2 I discreps equals discreps plus 1 return discreps. Def method 2 C1 C2 discreps _ A equals abs C1.count C2.count discreps _ C equals abs C1.count C C2.count C discreps _ G equals abs C1.count G C2.count G discreps _ T equals abs C1.count T C2.count T. Return discreps _ A plus discreps _ C plus discreps _ G plus discreps _ T. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Def compare C1 C2 name 1 name 2 print name 1 and name 2 print method 1 says there are method 1 C1 C2 differences. Print method 2 says there are, method 2, C1, C2, differences. Print. Compare A, B, compare A, C, compare A, D, compare B, C, compare B, D, compare C, D. PythonHomeworkHelp.com